How to fix login error on Microsoft Copilot. Having trouble logging into Microsoft Copilot? Don't worry. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through simple fixes to get you back on track. So, first, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or unstable connection can prevent Copilot from loading or signing in properly, so try switching networks or restarting your router. Second, make sure to verify your Microsoft account. Double check your Microsoft account credentials. Make sure your email and password are entered correctly. If you forgot your password, use the forgot password option to reset it. Third is to clear your browser cache. Sometimes stored cache and cookies can cause login issues. So go to your browser settings, clear your cache and cookies, and then restart your browser before trying again. And lastly is to try a different browser or device. If the problem persists, go ahead and try logging in using a different browser or device. This helps rule out browser specific issues. And that is how you can fix login error on Microsoft Copilot.